Hey guys, Sammy Benitez here. So I was actually just working on my Minn Kota Edge 55-pound thrust cable driven foot controlled trolling motor. The speed selector switch went out, which I have a little video showing you how to replace that. But while I got my pedal out of the tray, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the tension. So this is cable driven. The tension adjustment is right here. It is a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver. Number 2 will work in a pinch. As all you have to do is tighten this for a tighter, harder to move pedal. Loosen it, lefty-loosey, and it'll give you a lot more free playing. So depending what it is you do, how you want to use it, that adjustment's there. So make it comfortable for you and have fun on the water. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps you guys. We will see you on the next one. Peace.